In this video, we will cover the installation and operation process of the auxiliary light kit on your Polaris snowmobile. Begin by parking the vehicle on a flat and level surface. Set the parking brake and remove the key. Next, remove the windshield if equipped. Begin by pulling the retainers straight out firmly on the top and working towards the middle until the windshield is free. Next, remove both side panels by turning the 3/4 turn latches. Pivot the panels away from the sled and pull out to remove. Next, disconnect the 2 hood latches. Lift the hood up slightly to gain access to the connector underneath. Disconnect the connector. Then, pull the sides of the hood out and away from the side panel fasteners, and lift the hood up and away to remove it from the vehicle. Next, disconnect the headlight wiring. Then, remove the 3 screws retaining the headlight assembly. Pull the headlight assembly back and up to remove it from the hood. Next, remove the 2 side trim screws. Then, remove the side trim. Locate the template printed on the box flap. Cut out the template. Next, align the template along the edges of the hood. Mark the drill location with a punch. Then carefully drill the hole on the mark. Next, feed the wiring through the opening in the hood while installing the light assembly. Then, attach the auxiliary light using the provided tool and 2 screws. Use the existing hole and drilled hole. Tighten the screws until fully seated. Next, position the headlight assembly on the hood. Then, attach the headlight assembly using the 3 screws. Measure 1/2 inch down from the edge of the hood molding, and then 1/2 inch over, and mark the location. Carefully drill a 1/4 inch hole in this location. Next, attach the high beam relay on the auxiliary wiring harness in the drilled hole using the push pin clip on the connector. Then, attach the auxiliary harness to the existing wiring harness. Attach the auxiliary harness to the headlight connection on the snowmobile. Next, remove the tape and protective cap from the existing power connection on the snowmobile. Connect the auxiliary harness power to the power on the snowmobile. Then, connect the 2 auxiliary light connectors to the auxiliary lights. Next, reinstall the hood panel, ensuring the tabs in front are properly engaged. Then, reconnect the connector underneath and verify it is secure. Continue by securing the 2 hood panel latches. Next, reinstall both side panels by inserting the upper tab and pivoting in to engage the lower tab. Then, latch the 3/4 turn latches to secure each panel. Reinstall the windshield by ensuring the mounting tabs align with the mounting slots on the hood. Then, firmly press in on all tabs, firmly working front to back to ensure the windshield is secured. Test the lights by starting the snowmobile in a well-ventilated location. The auxiliary lights are off when the snowmobile headlights are switched to low beam, and on when the headlights are switched to high beam. For more information, contact your Polaris dealer or visit snowmobiles.polaris.com.